Hey there, welcome back to video 3, where we're now going to talk about managing your boards and your sprints. So we went ahead and created that MAD project. I did a restore on it after deleting it in video 2. So if you didn't check out video 2 already for setting up your projects, definitely go back, check that one out first, and then come back and check this one out. But now that we have our MAD project, we'll go ahead and double check that it's available in Jira. So it is available, it is restored again. And now we're going to go ahead and create some boards and sprints under this project. So we're going to pretend that we are doing a mobile app development project, and we'll have two different boards. We'll have one for feature development, and then once feature development's completed, we'll move on to, or I'm sorry, once feature development board is set up, we'll also create a bug tracking board as well for any kind of bugs that pop up. So let's go ahead and jump into it and tell JiraTalk what to do. So now create two boards. Yeah, for feature development. All right, and let's see what happens here. All right, and just like that, it looks like our two boards are set up. So we have our feature development board, which I talked about. It's a Scrum board. And then now we have a bug tracking board, which is automatically a Kanban board, right? So let's go ahead and click on the links, double check them. So we do have our feature development board, which has active sprints. And we have our bug tracking board, which is a Kanban board. So awesome. Look at how easy that was to set up. Now we can go ahead and create the sprints under them. So let's go ahead and create the first sprint, which is going to be create two sprints, one for MVP, which starts today and ends in 2 weeks, and another. All right. So I asked it to create two different sprints, one starting after another. The first one for MVP and the second one for UI/UX enhancements. And I told it to create it under that feature development board that we just created. All right, and look at that. Our two sprints are completed. So again, let's go ahead and click on them to make sure that they are set up correctly. So we do have our MVP sprint. They automatically added a goal for here, right, to complete the minimum viable product for the mobile app. And then it's going to start today, and then it is going to end in 2 weeks from now. And then if we scroll down, we can see the UI/UX enhancement sprint, which starts in 2 weeks from now, and then ends in 2 weeks from then. So it did successfully create our boards and sprints, and look at how much quicker that was just to set that up versus clicking around in the Jira interface. All we had to do was just tell JiraTalk exactly what we wanted, and it went ahead and did it, and some. So if you thought that was easy, definitely give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, or even go ahead and download JiraTalk now from the ChatGPT plugin store, or even head over to our website and sign up for our newsletter. All those things help. We're open to feedback. Please feel free to send that over our way at support@jiratalk.com. All right, thank you guys. I will talk to you in the next video and we'll start to add some more issues into these sprints here.